food, so I stole some of the kids' marshmallows. Marshmallow time. I was biking and I saw this scene, and for some reason I had to stop, take a video and a photo. I love that little blue house. I have a photo with my Canyon Inflite on it that I really like, and I'm trying to get better at stopping when I see something interesting on the bike ride. A lot of times I decide not to stop because I don't know, I'm in the middle of an interval, but you know, I'm gonna try to make it a point to stop at the interesting stuff. Let's see if there's any more interesting stuff going up the mountain. That's okay. Not too interesting because I've been here many times. Let's keep going. That's interesting, but way too sketchy and steep for me. Okay, this one I can't resist. Okay, it looked promising, but in the end, it's just this. A lot of nothing. Okay, now I never have to wonder when I pass that corner. Okay, I guess that counts as interesting, but also a bummer. Downhill. So I hope you like that one. It was a little different from the usual videos. I'm trying out different things with the channel. Oh, it's a doorbell. I gotta answer that.
Grab, sir.
Oh, okay, thank you. Hey! I got a package from Nutrition Depot. They're helping support the channel, so thank you, Nutrition Depot, for sending this over. But before we check out what I got, make sure to go to nutritiondepot.com.ph. Basically, if you are into exercise, you're going to need some help with nutrition, and whatever it is that you need, I am sure they have. In my case, they are helping me out with some energy gels. I got a whole bunch of gels here. Gels from Nutrend. I'm gonna try them out. So I just got this, so I want to try them out. And then also some more ride snacks for me. At least I won't need to steal my kids' marshmallows anymore. And this is definitely an upgrade. This and the gels. And I have a whole bunch more in here. And this is something I want to try. I gotta read up more about it. It has a whole bunch of stuff and electrolytes, so this should help me out. And I expect another package from them soon. I'm hoping to get like a carb drink of some sort. Bunch of endurance sports supplements from Nutrend and Nutrition Depot. .com.ph. Head over to their shop. Thank you, Nutrition Depot, for supporting the channel. I will use these things and let you know how it goes. Again, I hope you guys like that special edit. That was a bit different from the usual. I really enjoyed making it, and I hope to have similar-ish edits for the vlogs soon. So stay tuned, subscribe, keep watching. No boring days.